Hi beautiful family, compliment of the season to you all. On today's video I'll show you how to make this potent powerful tea spray for faster hair growth. This tea spray is very easy to prepare, but it's very potent and very effective. It's only about 3 ingredients, so if you really want to grow your hair faster, stop hair loss, thicken up your hair, and also regrow your hair in cross section, this tea spray is what you need. So if this video sound like what are interesting, keep on watching and watch this video to the end, because toward the end of the video I will give you instruction how to use this tea spray for best results. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's video. So this is my jar, and my jar is clean. Make sure your jar is clean. My first ingredient is black seed. Black seed help moisturize. It also helps to treat your scalp and hair loss and reduce hair fall by up to 76%. Black seed enhance hair growth, increase hair density. So I'm making use of 1 tablespoon of my black seed. This is how close look how black seed look like. So I'll transfer it into my jar container. My second ingredient is dry rosemary leaf. Dry rosemary leaf contain antioxidants and the anti-inflammatory property that help to stimulate hair growth and reduce hair fall. Rosemary leaf is also effective in promoting hair growth, prevent hair fall and thinning hair. Also, it helps to restore moisture loss back to your hair and remove products build-up. So I also maybe make use of 1 tablespoon of my dry rosemary leaf. My third ingredient is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is very powerful in your hair growth. Fenugreek seed boost blood circulation and help reduce dandruff. Rich in protein, fenugreek seed also help to fight hair fall and also dandruff. It treats dryness of hair. Fenugreek seed also control barrenness of hair and thinning hair. Okay, there is a lot of benefit to be gotten on using fenugreek seed on your hair. Fenugreek seed is a very great recipe that you can never regret of trying on your hair. I also make use of 1 tablespoon of my fenugreek seed. Next thing, I transfer in my hot water. Make sure the hot water is very hot. So I use my spoon to stir it around very well. Next thing I will cover it. There's another way you can infuse this tea spray if you don't want to follow up my infusion method, and I will tell you that later on the video. So I will cover it up and keep it away in my cabinet to infuse for 12 hours. 12 hours later, you see the thing have infused, the color have changed, all the ingredients have really extracted into the juice. Okay, so next thing I grab my plate and my shifter to collect my tea spray. Our most potent hair growth tea spray is ready. You will never regret trying this tea spray on your hair. The combination of these 3 ingredients, they are bomb. They are so effective in growing your hair like crazy. They are so effective in regrow your hair in cross section, reducing your hair fall, treat your dandruff, itching scalp, any of these hair problem, and also condition your hair. Next thing, I take my spray bottle to transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application. Guys, do not joke with this tea spray. If you have not tried this tea spray before, this is a great opportunity for you to try it, and you will not regret trying this tea spray on your hair. This tea spray is a magic. It will grow your hair. If your hair is stagnant and you want to grow your hair faster, or your hair is thinning, you want to thicken up your hair is falling excessively, please prepare this tea spray. And where you can use the best results is consistent. When you use this tea spray consistent, in a short period of time, you're going to see a great change on your hair. I'm not kidding, I'm not joking. A trial will convince you. So I'm going to show you how to apply this on your hair. Okay, so there are different ways to use this tea spray for best results. The first step is to use it as a leave-in treatment. Okay, so I'm just applying it on my hair. For you to see best results of using it as a leave-in treatment, please use it on a clean scalp, and also on a clean strand of hair. Make sure that your hair is clean before you apply this spray on your hair for you to see the best results out of it. Okay, so I'm using this thing to hydrate my hair. My hair is dry now. If your hair is not in protective hairstyle, please section your hair, okay, before you applying this, so that you are sure that this tea have penetrated all over your hair and all over your scalp. Okay, so apply this generously on your scalp and on the strands of your hair. Massage it very well and follow up with your sealant, with your moisture sealant. You can use your leave-in condition, you can use your hair butter, you can use your grease, you can use your oil, but make sure that you seal it in, okay, for best result. And secondly, we are into winter period, for your hair not to dry out. Okay, so second way to use this spray for get best result is to use it as a final thin rinse. After washing your hair, use this spray to pour all over your hair, massage your scalp, cover it up, and allow it to steam for 20 to 30 minutes. If you like, you can carry it up to 1 hour. It depends on you. Okay, after then you can rinse it off, but I advise you not to rinse it off. Okay, follow up with your moisturize your hair and go and style your hair. Third way to use this spray on your hair is to use it as a pre-poo. Use it first on your hair before you shampoo your hair. Use it and apply oil on top of it before you go and shampoo your hair. You'll see best results. But I'll tell you the best way to use this for best results. If you have watched this video up to this point, thank you so much for watching this video, and please like this video for me. It really encourage me to put out more good content out there, and also help the growth of the channel. And if you have not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Okay, thank you so much for that support. Thank you for supporting me. I love you guys so much. Second way to infuse this tea spray is by boiling method. You can boil this only about 10 minutes. Do not boil it more than 10 minutes, and once the 10 minutes mark, bring it down and allow it to cool down. So I like using this my infusion method of using hot water to infuse it, because I'm more confused that the ingredients are more potent than boiling method. This is my own explanation. Please do the one that work for you, whether boiling method or infusion method. Do the one that work for you. Okay, among the three method I share with you to use these ingredients, I prefer two methods, using it as a leave-in tea spray. That is the best way to use this tea spray. Do not wash it out. For you to see best results, please don't wash this thing out on your hair. Allow it to sit on your hair, and you're going to see the magic on your hair. Even though you use it as a final thin rinse, do not wash it out. Allow it to sit on your hair, moisturize your hair, but please don't use this spray without you moisturizing your hair. I repeat, you know, the fenugreek seed contain protein, and protein can dry out our hair. And also, we are into winter period when our hair dries so much, and whenever you are going out, make sure that you protect your hair. This tea spray, you can use it whether protective hairstyle or not protective hairstyle. Please use this, like as I said, 3 times in a week for best results. You can only store this tea spray in your refrigerator only about 5 days. Once it's 5 days, anyone that remaining, please discard it and make a fresh batch. Okay, so if there's anything I did not cover up on this video, please feel free to let me know in comment section below. And if you have not commented on my video before, please comment. I would like to hear from you. Okay, so guys, this will be closing today's video. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Let me know your opinion in comment section below. Have you tried before? And I hope you're going to try it. You're not going to regret trying this tea spray on your hair. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys in my next video. Merry Christmas to you all. Bye.